Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie at home without an oven. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need about 6 medium-sized apples, some sugar, and your favorite pie spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. For the crust, we'll use crushed cookies and melted butter. Make sure you have a saucepan, a stovetop, and a 9-inch pie dish ready to go. Now, let's prepare that delicious apple filling. Begin by peeling, coring, and thinly slicing all 6 of your apples. Place these slices into your saucepan. Add 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, or adjust to your taste. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the apples become tender, which usually takes around 10 minutes. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble our no-bake masterpiece. Take your crushed cookie and butter mixture and press it firmly and evenly into the bottom and sides of your 9-inch pie dish. Once the apple filling has cooled slightly, pour it carefully over the crust. Spread it out evenly, then place the pie in the refrigerator to chill for at least 3 hours. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Once your pie is perfectly set, it's ready to serve. You can garnish each slice with a dollop of whipped cream, a drizzle of caramel, or a simple sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flair. This no-bake apple pie is a fantastic, refreshing dessert, especially when served chilled. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.